Your closet is a disaster zone and you just found the perfect fix for less than the price of a fancy cup of coffee. It looks sleek. It pulls out from the wardrobe wall. It holds your shirts and pants in a neat row. But before you click that buy button, we need to talk about why that deal feels so strange. This specific wardrobe valet hanger is a real thing. It is a staple at that massive Swedish furniture store we all know and love. It is designed to help you plan your outfits for the work week. It is genuinely useful for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free and easy to reach. But lately, this handy little accessory has been popping up on some very questionable websites. These sites are offering deep discounts that simply do not make any sense. They are using every trick in the digital playbook to get your credit card number right now. You might see a little flashing box saying dozens of people are looking at this item at this exact second. You might see a countdown timer telling you the deal ends in 5 minutes or the stock will be gone forever. This is pure psychological pressure. It is designed to stop you from thinking clearly or doing any research. I took a look at some of these domains and the red flags are everywhere. The prices are 60 or 70% lower than the official retail price. That almost never happens with brand new furniture accessories from a major brand. Then there are the reviews from real people. Users on major consumer protection sites are sounding the alarm about these specific deals. They report seeing expensive home goods listed for pocket change. They talk about orders that never arrive and customer service emails that bounce back immediately. It is a classic trap. The product itself is great. I love a good organization tool as much as anyone else does. Being able to slide a rod out and see your entire outfit hanging there is a total game changer for a busy morning. It saves space in a cramped apartment. It looks professional. It makes getting dressed feel like a luxury experience. But the risk of losing your hard-earned money to a fly-by-night operation is just too high to ignore. These scammers love to hide behind professional-looking photos. They often steal images directly from official catalogs to look legitimate. If the website name looks like a random string of letters, stay away. If they only accept weird payment methods or have no security icons, stay away. If you cannot find a real physical address or working phone number on their contact page, that is a huge warning sign. It is always tempting to hunt for a bargain. We all want our homes to look like a glossy magazine showroom without spending a fortune. But in this case, the safest bet is to go straight to the source. Go to the actual store or a very well-known online retailer that you have used many times before. You might pay a few extra dollars, but you will actually receive the product in the mail. Plus, you will have a real return policy and a real person to talk to if something goes wrong with the delivery. Do not let a flashy ad on social media lead you into a massive financial headache. A tidy closet is not worth the stress of a stolen identity or a drained bank account. Keep your eyes open. Trust your gut when a price seems impossible. Your wardrobe will thank you, and your wallet will definitely thank you too. Stay smart and keep those closets organized the right way.